Sure, here's a hook to grab attention, and then a detailed script for your video on top 5 online business ideas for beginners in 2025. I'll keep the language simple, interesting, and focused on engaging your audience. 2025 is here, and if you've been dreaming of starting your own online business but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 online business ideas that are perfect for beginners just like you. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to start fresh, these ideas will set you on the path to success. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 online business ideas for beginners in 2025. Now, I know getting started can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you and help you find the perfect fit. Let's get started with the first business idea. First up, we have freelance services. This is an amazing option if you have any skills, whether it's graphic design, writing, web development, or even being a virtual assistant. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online. Plus, there's a huge demand for freelancers in almost every field. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you create a profile and offer your services to clients worldwide. The best part, you can start right away. Whether you're working on small gigs or big projects, freelancing allows you to be your own boss while doing something you love. Pro tip, start by focusing on one skill you're good at and build a portfolio to show your work. The more you build your reputation, the more clients you'll attract. Next, let's talk about dropshipping. If you've heard of e-commerce but don't want to worry about inventory, shipping, or handling products, dropshipping is a great option. It's simple. You sell products on your online store, and when someone makes a purchase, your supplier ships the product directly to them. All you need is a website. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, a reliable supplier, and a good marketing strategy. The best part, you don't need any upfront investment in stock. It's a low-risk way to get into the world of e-commerce, and you can do it from anywhere. Pro tip, focus on a niche market. The more specific you can be, the better your chances of standing out in a crowded market. Another popular business idea is becoming a content creator. Whether it's through YouTube, blogging, or even podcasting, you can create content on topics you're passionate about and start earning money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. In 2025, content creation is bigger than ever, and people are looking for authentic, relatable content. The best part, you don't need to be an expert in anything to get started. Just share your journey and insights as you go along. Over time, your audience will grow, and so will your income. Pro tip, consistency is key. Don't expect to make money overnight, but if you stay dedicated and engage with your audience, it will pay off. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. The key here is finding a product or service that aligns with your interests or your audience's needs. You can join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareSale. Once you get your affiliate links, you can promote them on your website, social media, or YouTube channel. This is a perfect option for beginners because it doesn't require creating a product here, simply connecting people with things they want to buy. Pro tip, choose products you genuinely like or believe in. Your audience will trust you more if you recommend something you're passionate about. Finally, we have online course creation. Do you have a skill, a hobby, or knowledge that others would love to learn? Creating an online course is one of the most profitable ways to make money online. Websites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses. It could be anything from teaching digital marketing, cooking, photography, or even something niche like meditation. Once your course is live, it can continue to earn passive income as students sign up. You create the content once, and it works for you over and over. Pro tip: start small with short, digestible content and build it over time. The more value you provide, the more people will want to buy your course. Hey there! If you're interested in making smart money moves while also contributing to a more sustainable world, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into financial strategies for a greener tomorrow where your investments, spending, and savings can not only help your bank account, but also help the environment. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about one of the simplest ways you can get started: investing in green technologies. You've probably heard of solar panels and electric vehicles, but there's so much more you can invest in. Green technologies include anything that reduces carbon emissions or uses renewable resources. Think about investing in renewable energy companies, clean tech startups, or even sustainable agriculture. By putting your money into these industries, you're not just boosting your portfolio, you're supporting innovations that will help reduce global pollution. And here's the kicker: these industries are growing fast, so you're likely to see great returns on your investment. Now, let's talk about something everyone can do: energy efficient homes. Did you know that upgrading your home to be more energy efficient is one of the best long-term financial strategies out there? From LED lights to better insulation, these small changes can dramatically cut your energy bills. Plus, many governments offer tax incentives for going green, which means you can save even more money upfront, and over time, your savings will add up. It's like getting paid for being eco-friendly. Want to keep saving without changing much? Change your daily habits. Take a look at your transportation. Instead of driving a gas-guzzling car, how about carpooling, biking, or using public transportation? You don't have to go all in on electric cars right away, though they're a great option too. Just being mindful of how much you drive can save you hundreds, even thousands, per year. And that brings me to our next point: embrace minimalism. A less cluttered life doesn't just reduce waste, it also leads to fewer purchases and more savings. By focusing on buying fewer, higher quality items, you'll spend less while being kinder to the planet. Next up, eco-friendly investments. There are many funds and stock options that focus on sustainability. ESG, environmental, social, and governance funds are becoming more popular, allowing you to put your money where your values are. These funds are designed to prioritize companies that are environmentally conscious and socially responsible. Not only are you making a profit, but you're also supporting ethical companies that are paving the way for a sustainable future. And finally, let's talk about green bonds. If you're looking for a stable and reliable investment, consider green bonds. These are investments where the proceeds are used specifically for environmental projects. They may not be as high risk as some other investments, but they provide long-term growth while funding initiatives like clean water, renewable energy, and climate change projects. So, there you have it. 5 simple ways you can use your finances to contribute to a greener tomorrow. By being conscious of where you put your money, making sustainable lifestyle choices, and investing in the future, you're not just helping the planet, you're securing a brighter future for yourself as well. Hey there! If you're a teenager and you've ever wondered how to start making money while you're still in school, investing is a super smart way to do it. It's not just for adults or people with a ton of money. You can start building wealth right now, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Now, I know the word investing might sound scary or complicated, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. You don't need a ton of cash to get started, and you definitely don't need to be a financial expert. Whether you're 13 or 19, there are ways you can start growing your money today. Okay, first things first, why should you even care about investing at a young age? The answer is simple: time and compound interest. Let me explain. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. When you invest, your money earns interest, and that interest gets added to your balance. Over time, this process of earning interest on interest can turn a small amount into something huge. It's like planting a tree. When you start early, it has more time to grow and bear fruit. Plus, starting early means you'll have a much better chance of reaching your long-term financial goals, whether that's paying for college, buying a car, or even retiring early. Before we jump into how to invest, let's quickly go over some key terms you need to know. Stocks, owning a small part of a company. If the company does well, so do you. Bonds, a loan to a company or government that pays you interest over time. Mutual funds ETFs. These are like baskets that hold a bunch of different stocks or bonds, so you don't have to pick individual ones yourself. Dividends. This is money paid to you by companies for owning their stock. Once you know these basics, it's easier to understand how investing works. Okay, now you don't need to have thousands of dollars to get started. In fact, you can start with as little as $10. But before you invest, you should have a budget. Figure out how much money you can afford to invest without touching it for a while. This is important because investing is a long-term game. It's not about making quick money. Set aside some of your allowance, birthday money, or savings and start investing a small amount regularly. You can even set up an automatic transfer to make it easier. Now let's talk about where to invest. As a teenager, you won't be able to open a traditional brokerage account on your own, but you can open a custodial account with the help of a parent or guardian. Some popular platforms where you can do this include Robinhood, super easy to use and has no commission fees. Acorns helps you round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Fidelity, a solid option for long-term investing with a variety of choices. These platforms let you start small, so you don't have to worry about needing a lot of cash. Alright, now for the fun part, picking what to invest in. For beginners, it's best to start with something like index funds or ETFs. These are great because they spread your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies, reducing risk. Instead of trying to pick the next big winner, you're betting on the overall market doing well. It's like betting on the whole team to win, rather than just one player. Here are some popular options. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VU. This tracks the top 500 companies in the US and is a solid long-term investment. Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Funds Rocks. This one is great because it has no fees. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can also invest in individual stocks, but remember, they're riskier. Always do your research before buying. Here's the deal, investing is not a get-rich-quick thing. It takes time. But the more consistent you are, the better your chances of seeing your money grow. The key is to invest regularly, whether that monthly or quarterly, and leave your money alone to grow over time. Avoid the temptation to sell your investments whenever the market goes up or down. Stay patient. And here's a pro tip. Try to reinvest any dividends you receive. This will help your money grow faster. So, there you have it. Starting to invest as a teenager is one of the best ways to build wealth for your future. You don't need a ton of money or experience to get started, just a willingness to learn, stay consistent, and think long-term. Now go ahead and get started with your very first investment today. You've got this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on growing your wealth. And drop a comment below if you've already started investing or if you have any questions. I love to hear from you.